Hello everyone, my name is Adrian and this is Twist and Fix. You can call us Twist, and I'm gonna show you exactly what we do around here. Just take a look at this G-Wagon. The client needs to restore it from scratch because this car stood a lot in the garage and it has a lot of rust. So what we do, we are specialized in bodywork. We restore the frame and also the interior. So we take a bad car, a bad looking car, and we put it back on the road. And the main thing is, it's gonna last. For example, let's take a look at this Lincoln. It's in a really bad shape. You can see it. It's full of rust and nothing works on it. So we have to restore it from scratch. We need to replace the panels. We need to replace everything so that the car will work properly and it will look incredible. This is a Kia with a really weird shape, but we are preparing it now to take it to the boot painting so we can paint it. We are very precise when we are sanding the panels and all the elements on the car. It needs to be very smooth, and when you paint it, it needs to be perfect. When you take a look from this side, the panel needs to be perfectly straight. That's the main thing. And we are very generous when we put the materials on the car. We do it in many layers, and we are very sure that it will last for many years. That's the main thing you have to do when you restore a car. We have another model here. This is DS21. DS21. Right. This was in a very bad shape. And take a look at this now. Just panels that we didn't finish yet. So it was very bad looking. If you take a look at this and take a look at this surface, this is very perfect. So this is the thing that we have to do, we want to do, and we can give you a warranty on the car, let's say 20 years, because we know that it's gonna last forever. This is where the magic happens. This is the final step when we paint the car, and it's gonna look the best. So if you need to restore a car, or you need to fix a car, it doesn't matter if it's old or new. If you had an accident or something, we can fix it. There's no problem. We do a lot of things. We do the interiors. We fix small parts of the car. We do the whole thing. So you just need to ask, and we're gonna show you exactly what we do. If you are from another country, there's no problem. We can do it. We can offer you a transport. We include that in the price of what we do with the car. The thing is, you're gonna be with us the whole process. So we're gonna film everything. We're gonna document the entire process of restoring your car. And you can take a look at our channel, so subscribe to our channel. We're gonna do it in English. It's not our language. We are from Romania, but we're gonna try to do the best to give you all the support and everything, to be very transparent when we do the whole thing with restoring your car. And it's gonna be the best thing you can do in your life. It's a good hobby. It's a good passion, and we do it with passion because this is the thing that we know how to do it the best, so we do it. And we have very good prices for you. We have prices for everybody. We're gonna use the materials that you want to use. We have a bunch of materials that we can use, depends on what you want from the car. So just give us a call. We have the WhatsApp number. We have here the channel, you can comment to our videos, and we're gonna start to do it in English because I think it's the best, so everyone can see what we do. And we're gonna offer you best prices to restore a car, and we're gonna keep you up to date. We're gonna make a lot of videos showing you what we do to fix the car in a proper way, so the car will last for a long time. Let's say this car, it's a Honda Del Sol. and it has almost 30 years, and the paint wasn't so bad. But our client, he wanted to restore the car and paint it really nice. We do it, we're gonna do it, and that's what we know how to do it. Painting is not the only thing that we do. We can take care of the engine and also the whole mechanic, the mechanic parts. So we take care of everything. We do everything that you need. You're gonna find it in one place.